mga tao, ang tagal ko na pong hindi nagpo-post. So ito na, magpo-post na ako. So currently, nasa Metro Manila kami, and if for y'all that are watching Can't Buy Me Love, we're going to Binondo. Excited ko na. So, nasa Metro Manila pa lang kami, and I think we'll be there in like a few or maybe an hour or something like that. So, I'm so excited. I'm with my tito and my tita. I'm here with my dad and of course myself. Kami apat lang. So sad. So, I'll see you guys later for maybe a tour in Binondo. Okay, bye-bye. See you later.
Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here from the rain of your doubts and fears. Weary heart, you'll be safe here. Remember how we laughed until we cried at the most stupid things, like we were so high.
Autumn nights, I can find myself in galleries of fuzz just because I miss you. You don't have to remind me of the pains of circumstance that demand a distance, and I'll be right here in case you need to talk. I'm just a call away from you. Why can't we
Lamang ang aga pumakap. Yun daw yung pamahid daw niya sa Rayuman, ubus na. Tingnan natin siya mamaya. Nasa waiting stage pa rin ba kayo? Ha?
Bingo. I need you.
You deserve an accessible reason.
Gago, parang may mali doon, boy.
Autumn leaves fall on me. They rustle as I walk alone. I wish I was with you. I'd take a chance, hold your hand. You'd say no, 'cause you've always been just a bit low-key.
What? They said you wanted to go.
It's all that I have left for now. Why can't we be together, baby? Why does it take so long? Why can't we be together?
Kamusta ka naman? Tinexting kita.
I haven't checked my phone. Why? I don't wanna lose this. I hunger for your kiss.
Can I get a piece of your affection?
In all of the madness, baby.
This is Auntie Cathy's restaurant. It's actually different. I never know.
Te! Feeling ko.
Ay naku, ayaw mag-break. Busog pa rin siya.
Why does it take so long?
Ikaw ang bakit nandito? Tambayan ko to. Ganda, no?
Maniningil ka na, no?
Wala naman tayo napatunayan. Hindi mo na ako kailangan bayaran.
Why does it take so long? Why can't we be together, baby? Should we keep holding
Sinong hinihintay mo dyan? Si Bingo?
Hindi.
O si Ling? Ano sasabihin mo?
Talaga lumakad sa Binondo. As in, ang tagal-tagal tapos nakatirik talaga yung araw. Oh, by the way, ang fun talaga as in. So, I hope you guys enjoyed my vid because I really did as well. Okay, see you in the next vlog. Bye-bye!